Alright, here is a new thumbnail maker app. So you can use to make thumbnail on your YouTube, on Facebook. Like you can use to create different kinds of thumbnails. Alright, you can also use for normal graphic design. It's kind of a free app. So you click on this red button to go ahead and use it. So it's on Play Store. You can download it on Play Store. So I'm going to click on next. You can pick hundreds of thumbnails, over 3,000 thumbnails. So I'm using it for the first time. I'm just going to click on next. So you can move out to, now you can see there is a free plan and there's a pro plan. All right, the free plan will gives you adverts will just show up, but if you want to subscribe, you can also pay for it monthly or you can pay yearly. So it's actually not that expensive, but you can just bear the adverts. Right, in case you want to add payment, you can just go ahead and add your payment, but I don't want to do that. I want to use it for free. All right, so advert will be popping up. All right, you can just cancel the advert and go ahead and do what you want to do with the app. So the app is actually very simple. Just one click and then you have all your stuff. Right, so I'm just going to go back. I don't want to subscribe to this, so I'm just going to go back and close it, go back to normal. All right, so just wait for it to load up. So it's trying to load up my template. Right. Alright, so it's downloading. Now you can see these are the templates that we have. These are all the templates that we have. Alright, it's in thousands. Alright. I just have to scroll down to see more of it. Alright, you can see the YouTube thumbnails there. Now I think I prefer this kind of design. I just go ahead and click on this particular design to check it out and see what is possible, what you can do with it.